welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Stewart cast iron pots. Original retail price on this was like 400 something, and it was on sale for $103 or something like that. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then open this up and show you guys what it look like. So here's the price, $103.99 plus $9.10 for the tax. Total is $113.09. So this one's a collector's Enameled cast iron Stewart collection. And this one's the 8 quarts, 7.57 liter round casserole. It's good for frying, stew, braise, boil, or serve. Here's a clear instruction. And this is what it looks like on the lid. You got the embossed Stewart, and it says 8 quarts. It's like a stainless steel handle. And this is what it look like on the inside, and then the outside. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.